Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide or archive a conversation on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to hide or archive a conversation on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after opening our Facebook app, let's go to our Messenger. You can see the Messenger icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on Messenger, and after landing on this interface, if you wanted to hide or archive a conversation on Facebook, you would need to tap and hold on the chat which you want to archive, like this. And after tapping and holding for certain seconds, you can see archive option available at the top of our options list. And now to archive a chat or hide a chat, let's tap on archive, and the chat will be hidden from your this interface. And there guys, this is how you hide or archive a conversation on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.